Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix our Discord language. So let's get started. So to fix your Discord language, what you can do is just simply open up your Discord application. And after opening up your Discord application, now what you can do is just head over to your user settings, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, you can find this bunch of options over here. Inside your app settings, you can find language. So just tap on language. And after tapping on language, now here you can see the different languages. Now what you can do is just select a language that you like, or just change your language to English. So for example, I'll change my language to Chinese. And after doing that, here you can see I've successfully changed my language. So what you can do is you can also change your language by doing this. And by following the steps, you can change your language. So that's it guys, this is how to fix language in TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to fix your language in Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.